Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi from Team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. In the previous video, the Motor Vehicle Act Amendment Act 2019 Part 1, we have discussed the 27 provisions of the new amendment 2019. In this video, we discuss about the remaining 27 provisions of the new Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019. So let's start our video. The 28th provisions. What says? The newly introduced section 66A empowers the central government to develop a national transportation policy. For establishment of framework for grant of transport permits, the section directs the central government to consult the state governments before formulation the policy. 29th provision. The penalty for violation under section 177 has been raised to rupees 500. 30th. The penalty for violation under section 177A pertaining to rules of road regulation has been enhanced to 500 rupees. 31 provision. The penalty for travelling without ticket under section 178 has been raised to 500 rupees. 32 provision. The penalty for disobedience of orders of authorities under section 179 has been raised to 2000 rupees. 33. The penalty for unauthorized use of vehicle without license under section 180 has been raised to 5000 rupees. 34. The penalty for driving despite disqualification under section 182 has been increased to 10,000. 35. The penalty for oversized vehicles under section 182B is rupees 5,000. 36. Now for offences committed by enforcing authorities under section 210B, twice the penalty can be imposed under the relevant section. 37. The power of officers to impound documents as stipulated in section 206 provides for suspension of driving license under section 183, 184, 185, 189, 190, 194C, 194D and 194E. 38. Now the fine for driving without insurance under section 196 has been increased from 1000 to 2000 for first offence and rupees 4000 for subsequent offence. 39. Now not providing was for emergency vehicle will be punished with fine of rupees 10,000 under section 194E. 40. Now penalty for wearing helmet has been increased. Now penalty for not wearing helmet has been increased to 100 rupees to 1000 rupees along with the disqualification of 3 months of license under section 194D. 41. The penalty for overloading of two-wheeler wheelers has been raised to 100 to rupees 2000 along with the disqualification of 3 months of license under section 194C. 44. 42. Now overloading which earlier section 194 was punishable for 2000 rupees and rupees 1000 per extra ton will be punishable with rupees 20,000 and 2,000 per extra ton. 43. Now overloading of passengers under section 194A will be punished with rupees 1000 per extra passenger. 44. The penalty of vehicles without permit which earlier was 5000 rupees under section 192A has been enhanced to rupees 10,000. 45. The penalty for aggregators under section 193 will be ranging to 25,000 to 1 lakh rupees. 46. For second offence of drinking driving is punishable with 2 years of jail or fine of rupees 15,000. 47. For the first offence of drunken driving, the punishment can be 6 months jail or 10,000 rupees of fine. 48. Now if driving is done with more than one pillion rider, the punishment which is earlier 100 rupees has been increased to 1000 rupees. 49. Using horn in silent zones would be punishable for 2000 rupees for first offence and 4000 for subsequent offences. 50. Driving uninsured vehicle would be punishable with rupees 2000 for first offence and 4000 for subsequent offence. 51. The list of uncompoundable offences where the violator has to visit court to pay challan are jumping traffic, driving against the flow of traffic, drunken driving, juvenile driving, etc. has been provisions for high penalty and jail term. 52. Using vehicles without permit of commercial purposes would be rupees 10,000 for first offence and subsequent offences for not just rupees 10,000 will be imposed, and jail term with also of 1 year. 53. Now for racing and trial of speed, the punishment would be 5,000 for first offence and 10,000 for the subsequent offences. Last but not the least, 54. The only provision against road owning agencies is rupees 1 lakh fine if faulty designs leads to any fatal accidents. To conclude, it is most heartening and most refreshing to learn that many amendment has been made in the Motor Vehicle Act in 2019, which was first enacted in 1988. They were necessary also as more than 31 years have flown under the bridge. We have discussed by and large all important provisions under the law. I hope you will understand all the provisions that came into effect in the new Motor Vehicle Act Amendment Act 2019. I hope you like our video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.